to hear us properly? Yes? Okay, fine. Yeah, we
Okay,
can
great.
start now. Yeah.
Okay, so these are the six deliverables that you should keep in mind when you're preparing your project deck or your presentation. First thing is it should explain what your problem is and what solution you are trying to portray. How is your solution the most relevant solution to your given problem statement? Second is a MVP link or a minimum viable product link. So basically, you have to deploy your project and send us a link to the working prototype of that project. At least a semi working prototype is expected. Then a 3-minute demo video. So up to 3 minutes is how long your demo video can be. That is the maximum time limit. And it should be a walkthrough through the working prototype. Please remember, you do not have to explain the code or any major technical details. You have to walk us through the project, how it is working, and what are the different USPs that are being covered in it. You also have to highlight in this demo video what your Google technology is that you've used. The fourth one is the GitHub repository link. So your code and whatever documentation that is relevant to your project, any theoretical reasoning or any technical explanation that you want, please put it in your GitHub and share the repository link. Then the list of Google technologies used. So since this is the most important part, you have to very clearly specify what technologies you've used, where you've used it, and how it is helping making your product better. And the sixth one is the solution description. So it is basically like a summary or a conclusion of your entire PPT, and you have to describe what you're doing and how is it different.
Yeah. Moving forward. Any questions on this particular thing while filling the form? If you guys have any doubts, or you can tap in. Just one update regarding the PPT, which we got yesterday only from Google. The format you guys are currently using, can you just like confirm with me that is this format which you guys are using right now? No. Okay, is this the no for the
Yes.
yes? Okay, fine. Yes. Fine. Yes. Okay. So there is a major update, guys. So this format needs to get updated. I'll be sharing you guys a new uh, template, which is this one. If you guys can see here, you guys only have to use this. So, okay, so just to like अभी अगर तुम लोग आके बोलोगे कि यार इतना delayed है, तो फिर इतना भी changes नहीं है. Okay, everything is same, almost everything is same. Opportunities, list of features offered by you, the Google technologies you have used. Only what other things, extra things are necessary is this part. Particularly, you have to add a process like a flow chart or a use case diagram. You can like जो भी general hackathons में रहता है, right? Just try making it थोड़ा सा, you know, अच्छा, and then maybe it will work. And even wireframes diagrams are optional here. Just one important thing in this PPT will be this part. Okay, so just wanted to clear कि ये जो है ना, provide links to your GitHub demo and MVP, ये तुमको अपने ड्राइव लिंक में डालना है. गिटहब का तो सीधा गिटहब से ही डालोगे. एमवीपी का तो वॉट एवर मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट यू अपलोडेड, वही उसका लिंक डालना. जस्ट वो डेमो वीडियो का लिंक है ना, दैट ड्राइव का लिंक का पब्लिक एक्सेस करके भेजना. वी आर लिटरली गेटिंग रेस्ट्रिक्टेड का एक्सेस एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सेस योर ड्राइव का लिंक्स. जस्ट अपडेट इट. एंड ये तीनों चीजें तुमको पीपीटी में टेक्स्ट फॉर्मेट में डालना है, राइट? इस स्लाइड पे मतलब if this is given GitHub का repo, then you mention if you can see my mouse pointer, I don't think so if you are, लेकिन just imagine कि GitHub के सामने the link, demo के सामने the link and MVP के सामने the link, ऐसे करके just submit it. लेकिन I want it in this format. Currently you have still have 2 days, 2 more days. If you have already used the previous format, please change it. Okay, I have given you the option to submit it multiply. So you can just share your form again. Okay.
Okay.
We will,
I think
yeah.
we'll move on to the questions.
Yes.
Ayush, if you're already using the second one, well and good. If anyone has made their PPT submission using the earlier PPT, the one with the pink template, then please edit that to the new one that Karthik will share in the group, and you can update your
I'll just
submission.
share it right now. I'll just share the link.
Swarai, you're saying you're using Google Gemini API and you're confused about whether using Google provided tools is mandatory. Yes, so using a Google technology or a tool is mandatory. Gemini API will work under that category. So I think you're good. It does not have to only be Google tools, but it has to include at least one. You can use other technologies as well that are not provided by Google, but there has to be one that is a Google technology. Could you please tell me more about the presentation? Like, do we have to give it in front of the judges? Okay, so y'all, all the detailed time slot will be mentioned on the group. You will get the details on 4th, since we will have the round on 5th and 6th. Now it will be approximately 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes will be the time slot given to you. And it will be an online jury round. So, yes, there will be people sitting in your different allocated panels to evaluate and judge you. This round will be online, the final round will be offline, and there will again be a different jury there. Okay. Any more questions? Is there any limit for slides in PPT? I think Karthik, you can answer this.
There are 13 slides given, right? If it is possible, you can use all the 13, even if three or four less, क्योंकि थोड़ा blank slides भी दिया है. If you want to utilize it, you can. But I think कि 10 or yeah, the minimum is 10, or you can increase it.
Is there a maximum limit?
No,
Okay.
there is not. But yeah, please keep it like not above 15 or 16, right?
Okay, someone is asking if the MVP deployment has to be 24/7. Just make sure that once you share the link, if we access it over the next 3 to 4 days, we should be able to view your project. In next round, is it fine to show MVP or full final project is required? Uh, is that the final round? In the final round, we will require the full final project.
Okay, so in this round, if you are able to like show not even like 100%, but 70 to 80% of your project, yeah, that is okay.
Right. So I think that answers Ayan's question as well. You do not need a fully working website, but at least all of your functionalities should be visible. They can still be underworked. That's fine. Uh, okay, so it is preferred that your entire group is there during the presentation, but it's fine if half of you are there. We will give you the time slot, so it might happen that yours on 6th if you're lucky, so don't worry about that. But please make sure that your members RSVP on the link that we will be sharing any which is.
Okay, Pranav, if that is the case, then okay, not all. Okay, fine. Then even if you come and present, it is fine. It is okay, yeah. If they're not there, but we will actually, I think we'll split, right, Aparna? Fifth
Yeah,
and sixth, yeah, yeah. So we will be splitting the 50 teams into fifth and sixth of Jan. So fifth को 25 होगा and then remaining will be on
right.
yeah sixth. Yeah.
Yes,
Social
I
is
will.
available.
All the teams will be there for the PPT presentation for the online round at least. Uh, okay, so Vedant, if the project is hardware based, for the MVP, you must have some sort of application controlling it, right? Try to host that or just put the anything that is the software part of it. If it is purely hardware, then you just have to put a video, then nothing can be done about that, but there must be some software part of it, right? So like try to host that or some sort of a recording of that and upload that.
Yeah, like if you are using a Google technology, then there must be something software related,
Right.
right? Blend of both, and then we have to also present the hardware. Yeah, you have to present it, right? The final round will be offline mode only.
Your final round should have a complete working model of your project, and whatever is there is fine. Yes, Vedanta, simulation is fine. Just make sure that we are able to access whatever you're providing. What is the last date and time for PPT submission? 4th of Jan. What time, Karthik? On 4th?
EOD
Sure.
11:59.
Got it. Is MVP deployment compulsory? She'll require my laptop to be on for that amount of time. Yes, for this round, it is compulsory. Please ask someone else to do it on their laptop in your team if it is not possible on yours. Try using Firebase Studios. I think that will help you with your MVP deployment and it does not require a lot of computation as well. It's a phone number based project, so it doesn't have a special front end. Are you using a Google technology in this? All right, so just make sure that whatever you provide in the MVP link, at least maybe screen record the working part of the software and share that, and make sure that you highlight the Google technology in that. It will be preferred if you make a front end for all of your projects. That will give you an upper hand. That is why we are asking for the MVP link. So try to at least create a basic front end and then upload that. Can I deploy MVP without backend? See, make sure that Akshat, make sure that we understand what your project is doing. It is okay if it is not fully functional, but 70 to 80% working is required.
While you will be presenting it in front of the jury, the online panel jury, you can just let them know, okay, that this is the thing. That's why P5 be considered as Google Tech, or we need some live service like cloud or Firebase. Okay, just a second, I'll just check once.
Medipipe is a open source framework, so please try to include something else as well. It should be a Google technology, not a framework.
Yeah.
Okay, so Rohan, the video should be basically a recording of the working, and there should be an explanation going on in the background. So you have to basically explain what your solution is, what are the different parts of your solution, and what all USPs have been covered. Also, make sure to highlight the Google technology that you've used. Uh, do not include the code in your videos. That is not required. You do not have to explain it as well.
Anything else, guys? Or yeah, just make sure to update the PPT. That is important.
Yes, PPT
Yes.
submission deadline is EOD.
PPT submission. Just let me check. Yeah, the PPT submission. We have kept it till 11:59. Is anything else, guys, or we can end this? Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Can you share? Yeah. Like which PPT? The new one? I've already shared it on the team leaders ka group. So फिर
Vaibhav, if your project is quite large, then only cover the USPs in the project and like skip through all of the basic explanation. An introduction all is not required, just cover the USPs. You don't even have to explain the USPs in detail, just mention them and show where it is being used. That's it.
and I've uploaded the PPT in the Hackovers Round 2 ka group. So all the team leaders are requested to share it with their teammates. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining. If there are no further questions, you all can leave.
Thank you.